In this video, I'll show you how to use Perplexity AI to quickly cluster keywords for better SEO and content planning. I start by heading to the search bar to enter my initial request. I'm asking the AI to take a list of outdoor-themed keywords and organize them into a clean table with logical SEO categories and descriptive headings. After hitting the search button, I let the AI gather context and process the information. The generated table provides a comprehensive overview, grouping terms like hiking boots and camping gear into distinct categories while identifying the specific search intent for each. This format allows me to see exactly how to structure content around these topics to reach the right audience. Next, I want to see how Perplexity handles clustering based on the buyer's journey. I'll paste a new prompt using smartphone-related keywords, asking the AI to sort them into awareness, consideration, and decision stages. I click send and the AI immediately gets to work organizing the list. The final result clearly separates the terms, showing that technical guides belong in the awareness phase while specific reviews and purchase queries fall under consideration and decision. This quick analysis provides a ready-to-use roadmap for targeting customers at every stage of their journey. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.